अब आप एग्जाम्पल ले लो रिंकू सिंह का, जिन्होंने एक रीसेंट इंटरव्यू में ये एडमिट किया दैट ही हैड मैनिफेस्टेड द विनिंग रन बिकॉज उन्होंने एक पीस ऑफ पेपर में लिखा था विन रन, दैट्स इट. हिज इंटेंशंस वर वेरी वेरी. You have read the title and you're interested in manifesting seamlessly. But you know what? There is one thing that not just me, not just you, but every one of us is doing. We are so lucky that we live in a world जहाँ पे everybody is talking so openly and so freely about manifestation. Because you know what? Smart people, successful people, they don't usually gatekeep. They share their secrets, they share their visions, and they tell people how to achieve success because they are not insecure. So if you've tried everything, you've done vision boards, you've done scripting, you've tried being delulu for quite some time, but you feel कि आपकी जो manifestation है वो अभी भी stuck है या delayed है या दूसरों की manifestations सच हो रही है बट आपकी नहीं हो रही है, then maybe there is one block जिसको आप clear नहीं कर पा रहे हो. Some of the biggest wrong assumptions about manifestation is that people feel कि just because आपने कोई चीज़ को लिख दिया या just because आपने एक vision board बना दिया या just because आपने अपनी entire life या say like 5 to 10 years script कर दिए, whatever you want will come to fruition. But सच ये है that you're still treating manifestation as some sort of a skill that you need to learn. But you know what? That's where you're going wrong. Manifestation is a skill that you need to remember. Yes, you heard me correctly. You need to remember how to manifest, because you know what, even if you didn't realize, you've been manifesting every single thing in your life since childhood till date without even knowing it. अब आप एग्जाम्पल ले लो रिंकू सिंह का, जिन्होंने एक रीसेंट इंटरव्यू में ये एडमिट किया दैट ही हैड मैनिफेस्टेड द विनिंग रन बिकॉज उन्होंने एक पीस ऑफ पेपर में लिखा था विन रन, दैट्स इट. हिज इंटेंशंस वर वेरी वेरी क्लियर. एंड डू यू रिमेंबर बैक इन द डे व्हेन यू वर अ चाइल्ड एंड आपको कुछ चाहिए था जो आप अपने पेरेंट्स से नहीं बोल पाते थे, या समथिंग जो आपको एक्साइट करता था, समथिंग दैट यू सो डेस्परेटली वांटेड बट यू जस्ट कुडंट टेल एनीबॉडी, यू यूज्ड टू राइट इट समवेयर, स्मॉल पीसेस ऑफ पेपर. आई वांट दिस, I want that. And sometimes तो आप imagine करते थे that oh my god, काश आज मेरा favorite ice cream truck यहाँ पे आए, you know, रोड से क्रॉस करें and boom, 30 minutes, 1 hour में you'll find your ice cream वाला right at your door. You thought it was being lucky, but you know what, your parents and people around you knew that you had prayed for it, so it came true. But you know what, it wasn't a simple prayer, it was manifestation. Because you know what, जब हम बच्चे होते हैं तो हमें लगता है कि हम जो भी इमेजिन कर रहे हैं वो रियल है, चाहे वो रोल्स हो, चाहे वो फ्रेंड्स हो, चाहे वो सिनेरियोज हो. आप सोच रहे थे कि आप एक पायलट हो और आप चला रहे हो प्लेन, एंड for you it was so real, and that is exactly that helped you manifest. जब भी आप सोचते थे कि काश आज स्कूल की बस ना आए, used to feel it, used to feel the emotion that arises from the fact that अगर आज बस नहीं आई तो कितना अच्छा होगा. Imagine going back home and eating the tiffin that was packed. I mean, it was absolute pleasure. So you used to manifest even without knowing it. And you know what, if you remember exactly this, if you remember all the time in your childhood when you manifested something because you so deeply desired it, you'll understand that it was something that you had it since forever, but you forgot for a little moment of time. ओम शांति ओम की बात कर लो. जब ओम प्रकाश मखीजा एक छोटे से स्टेज पे चढ़ के दारू की बोतल को अवार्ड समझ के वो स्पीच देता है, ही सेज वेरी क्लियरली दैट अगर आप किसी भी चीज़ को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसको आपसे मिलाने की साजिश में जुट जाती है. और ये यही बोलता है कि जो कॉस्मोस है, जो यूनिवर्स है, इट एक्चुअली कंस्पायर्स इन योर फेवर, विच इज़ वाई एग्जैक्टली इन द नेक्स्ट हाफ ऑफ द मूवी when he is born to a big celebrity and he actually wins an award, he remembers that he had manifested it in his previous life. So you know what, the only takeaway that I want you to take from here is to understand that manifestation is not something that only a few people can do. You can do it as well, only and only if you believe that you are capable of doing it. If you remember all the time that you've manifested, bring that energy back, bring that childlike curiosity, that childlike desire back. अगर वो impossible भी क्यों ना लगे, but एक बार wish करके तो देखो, and you'll realize कि even without vision boards or scripting or using the laws of assumption, you will have every single thing that you want in your life. If you found the video interesting, then do not forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and in case आपने अपनी लाइफ में गलती से कुछ अच्छा या बुरा मैनिफेस्ट किया हो तो कमेंट्स में मुझे ज़रूर बताइए. Until next time.